Number second point is they are important component of the bacterial community, okay, especially under condition of high temperature, high pH and water stress. They are more robust organism compared to bacteria, okay. Morphologically, so if you see, this is actually actinomycetes. So you can see that it has a long, like, hyphae structure. So morphologically, it is almost similar with fungi. Okay, it has that filaments. Okay, but the hyphae of actinomycete can be distinguished from the fungal hyphae based on the size. Okay, the size of the size of actinomycetes hyphae is smaller than the fungi. Okay, what else? As compared to bacteria, actinomycetes, okay, can utilize various substrate in soil. For example, it can utilize chitin, cellulose, and hemicellulose. Okay, the functions of actinomycetes. The structure, it's prokaryotes. The size is about 1 or 2 micrometer in diameter, larger than bacteria. It's gram-positive. Mostly are aerobic, okay, but can be anaerobic. Yeah, so these are the function. Some of it I have mentioned previously. It can degrade complex organic molecules such as chitin just now. All right, also can capable of biological nitrogen fixation such as frankia. So frankia is actually actinomycetes. Okay, archaea. So archaea initially was thought to be present only in extreme environment, okay, such as in the hot waters, hot spring, thermal springs, okay, or hypersaline soil. However, when the culture independent techniques, the metagenomic analysis were done, so it was found that actually archaea is widespread in nature. So it's just that we cannot culture them. Okay, it's hard to culture archaea. So the population is quite large, more than 10 to the power of 8 cells per gram soil. Okay, half of but it is less than bacteria still. So archaea involved in methanogenesis, okay, that can degrade methane, okay, and also geochemical cycling of carbon, sulfur, and nitrogen. Okay. Fungi. So fungi is lesser than bacteria, about 10 to the power of 5 to 6 per gram of soil. Okay. They are mostly abundant on the surface of soil, okay, because they are aerobic. So you can find fungi in soil particles between the pores, as well as in the rhizosphere. Okay. Fungi are important components of the soil because it can actually perform nutrient cycling, especially the decomposition of organic matter. Okay, both simple and complex compound, okay, such as lignin and cellulose. The role of fungi in decomposition is increasingly important as the soil pH declines, because fungi tend to be more acid tolerant than bacteria. So when there is changes in the soil pH, so that is when we needed fungi the most, because it can help the decomposition in that area, because other organisms such as bacteria won't survive. Also, as you know that the fungi has hyphae, that it can actually travel further than bacteria, so transferring nitrogen to other places and so on. So not transferring, like